So today I will tell you about the uses of Dimis tablet and also I will tell you how to use this tablet. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafy. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Rafy Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Dimis and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is Diclofenac sodium and Misoprostol. It has two drugs. Diclofenac sodium here it is in 75 mg and Misoprostol here it is in 200 mcg. Its manufacturer is Genix Pharma and here it is 20 tablets. So now let's discuss its uses. Dimis tablet is used to treat osteoarthritis pain and inflammation specifically in those patients who are at the risk of developing ulcers. So in that case Dimis tablet is prescribed to treat the inflammation, pain and swelling due to osteoarthritis. Okay, so it's a very good and effective medicine. Moreover, it is also used to treat a wide variety of pain and inflammation of caused during arthritis. It is used in like rheumatoid arthritis also. So it basically decreases the pain, swelling. Diclofenac sodium belongs to NSAIDs class, which is the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. It decreases pain and also swelling and inflammation. So basically Dimis tablet has anti-inflammatory analgesic activities. It is used to treat a wide variety of pains and swellings and also symptoms of inflammation. So it's a very good and effective medicine. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel because we work very hard to make these videos and you'll find these videos informative. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video also. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafy in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.